While closing a 3-day meeting of International Society of Pharmacovigilance Africa chapter at Speak Resort Munyonyo that was attended by different pharmacists across the African continent, Dr. Medard Bitekerezo noted that pharmacists and other stakeholders should be much interested in genetics and drug formulations to ensure that drugs manufactured have no side effects to patients.
I have a belief that we should keep interested in genetics and drug formulations, because as we have seen, that genetically we're not the same. And drugs, sometimes their actions, they have some connotations or some linkages with the genes we have inside ourselves. So,
Dr. Bitekerezo says that this can be achieved by having clinical trials of drugs before being given to patients in all countries across the globe.
Clinical trials, before these things are given out, should be held in all countries and in all races, because we don't want to waste a lot of resources on things that don't work in specific places. Dr. Helen and your team of NDA, I want to thank you heartily for bringing these wonderful people to our great nation.
Oga Comfort, President of International Society of Pharmacovigilance Africa chapter, notes that when medicine is safe, patients will also be safe.
We have a group of experts, people who are passionate about pharmacovigilance, about patient safety. And our idea of being together these 3 days is to bring people together so that we can share our experiences and learn, some of the new ways that we can work together to enhance the safety of patients, to make sure that the medicines that are being used in our countries remain safe. And of course, if the medicines are safe, our patients will be safe.
She adds that they implore to continue working with different regulatory bodies and partners to ensure there are more experts in the pharmaceutical sector.
And we're now working with our members to collect ideas on some of the things we want to do. But definitely one of the things we do want to do, we know, is that we want to continue working with our partners. We want to continue working with many of the regulatory authorities in Africa to make sure that we are strengthening them, to make sure that we have more experts in pharmacovigilance who continue to do the work that we do.
Philip Mogisha Mpeire, senior pharmacist at National Medical Stores, says that they have the mandate to ensure the medicine is supplied in Uganda are safe and secure for the patients to consume.
We do work with the National Drug Authority to ensure these medicines and health supplies that we do procure, warehouse and distribute are safe for our patients to use. We are currently involved we are currently supporting health facilities through their medicines and therapeutics committees to ensure that data is readily available to make decisions as regards pharmacovigilance, which re-echoes our support to these health facilities.
Dennis Nankora, chairperson of Hospital Pharmacists in Uganda, applauded the organizers of the conference about the medicine product safety because it would address many problems related to drug reactions after consumption.
Us as hospital pharmacists, we report to National Drug Authority and we want to find out what is causing those effects. So we go ahead and do some bit of causality assessment. And all that is to ensure that the patients are getting safe medications, because somehow these medicines can affect the patients. So we want to thank National Drug Authority and also ISOP Africa chapter for organizing this event in Entebbe, in Kampala here in Munyonyo.
Dr. Kundakweshi Dadenjina, technical strategist, says that they have played a pivotal role in ensuring that there is medical product safety in African countries through different research programs in some countries.
What we are doing with the program which is called the Africa Union Smart Safety Surveillance Program, is to strengthen safety surveillance of medical products across African countries. So we started with a pilot since 2020, covering the 5 pilot countries, and we've done a tremendous, great effort to make sure that the safety surveillance ecosystem of the entire continent is strengthened.
Julius Mohamza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.